Hello everyone! Today's video will have you on the edge of your seat as we witness unpredictable and shocking accidents. From terrifying collisions to moments of chaos, join us in seeing how fragile life can be on the road. A narrow escape, glad he's okay. Everyone remember to slow down and yield to keep those on duty safe.
Oh my goodness.
Tried to escape the cops, but ended up finishing at the tram stop. Luckily, people dodged in time. Only the car lost. On the morning of January 10, in Chotisani, Benesov police spotted a violating driver and signaled him to stop, but he sped away, driving at high speed through a residential area. During the escape, the driver's vehicle collided with two other cars and broke through a barrier at a resort. Later, police found the damaged vehicle near a school and arrested a 50-year-old man and a 24-year-old woman. The driver had 3 driving bans, refused to take an alcohol test, and now faces legal consequences. Forgot the handbrake and the rest is history, but the real highlight, her unique way of stopping the car. Brilliant or desperate? Lesson learned, smart driving means knowing when to slow down and face the situation instead of recklessly swerving. Dozing off at the wheel, waking up the whole highway. Driver, that nap was way too expensive. Rest before you drive. Don't let a crash be your alarm. The truck is heavy, but this rescue maneuver might be even heavier. The tire got tired of being a sidekick and went rogue. Caught on camera causing chaos, its great escape didn't go as planned,
Charlie Henry 6876.
On February 1, 2025, Atlanta police identified a vehicle linked to an armed robbery in Hapeville near Dodson Drive. The vehicle initially stopped but then fled at high speed. Prompting an ACC unit pursuit, officers used a pit maneuver to stop the vehicle.
Alcohol, 16 alcohol. 16 alcohol, 16 alcohol. 16 alcohol.
One suspect attempted to escape on foot but was quickly apprehended, while the other remained in the car and was arrested. The suspects, Datavius Waller and Juwan McKinnon, both 34 years old, were taken into custody by Hapeville police for further investigation. A wooden bridge taking on highway-level weight? No way it could handle that! A reckless move with a totally predictable ending. The truck boldly challenged the legendary can opener bridge and got crushed. Sometimes height isn't an advantage. A real-life action scene. SUV flips like a movie stunt, but this wasn't a rehearsal. Good thing there's a camera, or explaining this to the boss would be impossible. Audi and Renault unintentionally created a race. The driver must be thinking, is this a jog or a chase? Thankfully, no one was injured. The minibus crashed into a pole, and the elderly woman had a narrow escape, a heart-stopping moment. But everyone is safe. The car hugged the pole, but mom and kid hugged each other in relief. A lucky plot twist, steering them away from danger. A driverless pedicab with a strong will? Was it a ghost driving or just a brake failure? Let me know your thoughts. Is that a bus or a rocket? Take it easy, driver. The road isn't yours alone. A high-speed chase occurred on Interstate 94, Michigan, when the driver of a Kia Forte suspected of being a stolen vehicle sped over 120 mph and fled after being spotted by police.
Vehicle's not stopping. We're eastbound, not down. Here's the car. It was occupied one time. Slow down here. 20. We're exiting at North River right now. Looks to be occupied times 1. About 20.
After losing control and crashing into a sign, the driver, Jeremiah Neely, attempted to run on foot but was apprehended. During a search, police found an unregistered gun in the vehicle. Neely admitted the car was stolen and fled because he was scared. He was identified as a juvenile and was taken to a hospital for evaluation. The driver forgot to lower the truck bed. The horn behind was screaming for help, but unfortunately no one heard it. Shockwave is like a steel monster, roaring with 3 fire-breathing dragons, leaving a trail of speed like a storm sweeping everything away.
The wall of fire over 12,000 feet. Jet truck.
Anyone can drive, but not everyone knows how to drive smart. The car turned around without checking behind. The bus avoided the collision, but ended up crashing into a house. It's as if the road was an entrance to someone's home. When a chase turns into a race without strategy, because the SUV found its own stopping point. A fitting end to the pursuit. Adrift at the curve, but instead of finishing the race, it went straight to the trees in the house gate. Looking at how he jumped to dodge, it's clear he's luckier than fate itself. The dashcam car must be thinking, wait, I just tapped you lightly? Was that reaction really necessary? On July 5, 2020, Deputy Samantha Horn spotted a stolen 2015 Hyundai Elantra and attempted to stop the vehicle, but the driver, Harley Moore, fled, leading to a pursuit.
Caught up in traffic. Southbound on 441, just crossed over 42.
Denver, crossed over 42, still southbound, kilo 5421.
63 momentum a bit.
Denver, good.
Lost the front tire.
Lost the front tire.
Signal for another vehicle.
Signal for another vehicle.
After deploying a stop stick and using 2 PIT maneuvers, the vehicle was stopped and Moore was arrested. Moore was charged with grand theft auto and fleeing. The passenger, Harrison Blodnick, was also taken into custody. Did the pole have a grudge against you? How did you hit it so perfectly? Be careful next time, don't make the pole feel offended too.
Take it off? Oh shit, there we go.
On February 1, 2025, around 2 a.m., deputies attempted to stop a vehicle near Time nightclub in Marion County. The driver, identified as Al Johnson Jr., initially pulled over, but then fled. leading deputies on a pursuit reaching speeds over 100 mph.
Okay, so I'm the second car now. We're going to be turning westbound onto 95th Street. We're passing 105th Street. Everything's still the same. There's been no cars on the road at all. So we're passing 105th Street. What's up?
Signal 4. Affirmative.
The chase ended when Johnson lost control and surrendered. He was arrested and charged with fleeing to elude a law enforcement officer with disregard for safety. Johnson is currently held at the Marion County Jail without bond. Thank you all for watching the video until the very end. If you found this content helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to catch our latest videos as soon as they're released. We promise to bring you more high quality and captivating videos. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.